Right, we're here with yet another bad unboxing. Today, we have the Basilisk X Hyperspeed. I don't know, it's a mouse. What do you want from me? Now, I had two suggestions for unboxing quote-unquote tools. I don't think I'm going to be using my left middle toe, so my handy-dandy little knife will have to do today. Right, there is no tape for my knife today, but I could still poke it in. Oh yes, it is cut. My. It is box inside of a box. Boxception. We got our manual, we got no fucking way. Guys, we got stickers. Add that to the collection. Right, oh, I had it upside down. Right. As you can see, it is quite clearly a mouse. Now, the reason I got this is because it has buttons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's apparently other buttons, but I can't be asked finding them all. Now, it can be Bluetooth, and it can also be USB wireless. Inside of it, you chuck your battery in this little slot. Here's your USB. Oh, is it green? Oh, look at that. It's green because Razer has style. Now, it actually comes with a battery. That's pretty cool. That's not a cheap battery either. Now, give me a moment. Right, got the battery out. Apparently it goes on this way. Oh, fucking hell. Right, it's plugged in and running. It is very fucking smooth. Super smooth. I mean, look at that. Of course, this is on top of my official fucking Razer Goliath RGB Extreme Pro dinosaur mouse pad. One that looks like a lightsaber up close, you know. Now, this mouse, so smooth. It does 16,000 DPI or something like that. It's high. Better than the one that I had, which was 3,200. There's like 6 buttons that I can see. There's apparently 11, but I can't see the other 5. It's plugged in via USB. It's super simple. You just plug it in, turn it on with this switch under here, and it goes. Inside of there, that tiny little itty bitty purple light. Can't see it. Doesn't make any light. Oh, that's weird. I can't see it with my eye, but you can see it with the camera. But it's nice and dark and black and all that kind of crazy stuff. Yeah, no issues at all. It's just plug and play. It's smooth. It's fun. You can customize every single button. It's got a wheel. There's probably like a wheel lock. Probably not. I don't know. I'll look into it. See you later.